Hey guys, it's Miss Prickett. I'm going to go over with you the sentences that are to be classified on page 258 from chapter 7 in lesson 1. This week we start talking about compound parts and conjunctions. And so each of our sentences that we're going to classify are going to contain those compound parts and some conjunctions. And so we're going to learn how to go about doing the question and answer flow and classify and label those sentences. So our first sentence says, we hiked and camped. Now the first thing we do is look for our verb so that we can ask the question, who hiked? But in this one, we also see that we now have two verbs instead of just one. So who hiked and camped? And the answer to that is we, subject pronoun. What is being said about we? We hiked and camped. Hiked, compound verb. Camped, compound verb. Now notice we add a C next to or in front of the V to show that there are two verbs in this sentence and they are compound parts. And then we say and conjunction. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. And what you're going to do is go back to that very first verb that we labeled, and that's where you'll draw your line. And then we're going to underline the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. I did that all backwards. So some of you know that I did this out of order. Anyway, that's what happens in the real world, and that would have happened in class. So some of you already know that I did that backwards. It's okay. All right, let's move on to the next one. We hiked and camped along the rough mountain trail yesterday. So again, the same sentence, but this time it has more words in it. Okay, so who hiked and camped along the rough mountain trail yesterday? We, subject pronoun. What is being said about we? We hiked and camped. Hiked, compound verb. Camped, compound verb. And conjunction. Along is a preposition. So we're going to say along, preposition. Along what? Along rough? No. Along mountain? Maybe, and that might sound right, but we also have the word trail here. Along what? Trail. Object of the preposition. And in this case, mountain can be a noun, but in this sentence, it's actually describing trail. So it's answering the question, what kind of trail? Mountain. Adjective. What kind of trail? Or what kind of trail? Rough, adjective. The, article, adjective. Hiked and camped when? Yesterday, adverb. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Skill check. Along the rough mountain trail. Prepositional phrase. Remember, your prepositional phrase is going to start with your preposition and end with your object of the preposition, okay? Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Underline the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice. So that's what sentence number 2 looks like. Now let's classify sentence number 3. Henry and I looked at the fantastic view from the top of the observation tower. Where's my verb? Looked. That's what they did. So, who looked at the fantastic view from the top of the observation tower? Henry and I. Compounds, Henry, compound, subject, noun. I, compound, subject, pronoun. And conjunction. What is being said about Henry and I? Henry and I looked, verb. preposition. At what? View. Object of the preposition. What kind of view? Fantastic. Adjective. The article adjective. From, preposition. From what? Top. Object of the preposition. The article adjective. Of, preposition. Of what? Tower. Object of the preposition. Observation. What kind of, that answers the question, what kind of tower? Observation. So it's an adjective. The article adjective. Labeled all of our words. Subject, noun, verb, pattern, 1. Skill check. Look for prepositional phrases. At the fantastic view, prepositional phrase. From the top, prepositional phrase. Of the observation tower, prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Underline the complete subject once and the complete predicate twice. And there you have it.